How to repost posts and reels on Instagram. Well, it's a new feature that has just been updated on Instagram. It will enable you to repost a post that has been uploaded by other people. Well, in order for you to do that, head over to your application Instagram, enter your login credentials, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, move into any of the posts on the feed that you want to repost. And right over here, you can see the option of repost. All you gotta do is click on it, and there you can see the photo has been reposted. If you want to add any of the caption or the comment, then all you gotta do is click on it and then enter anything that you want to comment. Once done, tap on save at the bottom. There you go, it has been reposted with the caption. Now all of the reposts will be saved into different category on Instagram feed. Simply move into your profile icon. Right over here you can see your repost icon. Click on it. In this page, it will show you all of the reposts that you have made on Instagram, and then you'll be good to go. Likewise, if you go back and head over to your Reels section, you can see the option or icon of repost right over here. All you gotta do is click on it, and then the video will be reposted. There you can see that the Reels has been reposted. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can repost post and Reels on Instagram. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.